Chapter 10 The Willy Jackal. Bodhisattva took birth as a mouse when King Brahmadut ruled over Varanasi. Slowly he grew and grew till he became as big as a small pig. He took to living with a large group of mice in the forest near Varanasi. As he was intelligent and bigger than them all, the mice chose him as their leader. One day, a willy jackal came to the forest where the mice lived happily together. He thought of a scheme to eat the mice one by one without letting the others know of it. The jackal went and stood on one leg near the burrow where the mice lived. He stood facing the sun and pretended to swallow the air through his mouth. When Bodhisattva saw him in this posture, he mistook the jackal for a saint performing penance. He asked, "O Holy One, what is your name?" "My name is Dharmik, dear mouse," replied the jackal. "But why are you standing on one leg?" asked Bodhisattva in surprise. "If I were to put down all the 4 legs, a great burden will fall on the earth. Hence, I am standing on one leg only," replied the jackal. "Why are you standing with your mouth wide open?" asked Bodhisattva in surprise. "I do not eat anything except air," replied the jackal with pride. "And why are you facing the sun?" asked Bodhisattva. "I am offering prayers to the sun," replied the jackal. Bodhisattva was pleased with the saintly jackal and began to meet him daily. The entire mice clan followed suit. After some time, whenever Bodhisattva would return to his burrow, the cunning jackal would pounce upon the last mouse of the group lingering behind and swallow him up. Gradually, the number of mice started dwindling. When Bodhisattva noticed this, he became worried. He could not understand how their number had started falling. He thought to himself, "Could it be possible that the saintly jackal is not as saintly as he portrays himself to be? Is he probably a crook? Is he responsible for swallowing up the mice?" In a bid to find the replies to the questions troubling his mind, Bodhisattva decided to stay behind after the last mouse had met the jackal. Not knowing who the last mouse in the line was, the jackal jumped on Bodhisattva. But Bodhisattva, ever alert, swiftly made his escape. He turned to look at the jackal and after reaching a safe distance cried out, "O jackal, so it was not penance that you were performing. Under the grab of dharma, you were indulging in violence." When the jackal found that he stood exposed, he decided to run away from the place. But the mice nabbed and killed him after tracking him down.